In this video, I'll show you how to find your Bitcoin wallet address on crypto.com so you can receive BTC safely into the app. First, open the crypto.com app on your phone and log in. On the home screen, tap Accounts at the bottom. Here you'll see different sections like Crypto Wallet, Fiat Wallet, and sometimes crypto.com Visa Card. Tap Crypto Wallet. This page shows all the coins you hold or can use. I scroll through the list until you find Bitcoin, BTC, and tap on it to open the Bitcoin details screen. At the bottom, tap Transfer, then choose Deposit. Make sure Crypto is selected if the app asks. You'll now see your Bitcoin deposit screen with two important things: a QR code at the top, your BTC wallet address written underneath. If someone is next to you, they can simply scan the QR code to send Bitcoin. If you're withdrawing from another app or exchange, tap Copy to copy the BTC address and paste it into the withdraw/send field over there. Always double-check that it clearly says Bitcoin, BTC, and that the other platform is using the BTC network, not another chain. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.